In this video, I will show you how to convert image into trending hugging video. First of all, take a picture of the two people you want to hug. Now collage these pictures. For this you can download any app on Play Store like Canva. If you are in PC, go to Google Chrome and type pixel art. Go to this website. Now select Pixel Art Editor. Click Create New. Select this. Drop those to pictures here. Now click Ctrl+C to copy the image and paste in the blank page. Now adjust them. Now the image is ready, just download it. Now go to this website. Website link in the description. Go to Create option. Upload the picture here. Type any prompt here, like I want them hugging. Now just click Create. Wait some minutes, it takes some while. You can see after 3 or 4 minutes the video is ready. You can easily download the video.